Hey everyone, yesterday was Vishu and I hope all my Malayali friends, despite of everything that's going around, I hope you all had a great start and I wish you good health and abundance. And sorry about my previous video where my head and hair was in the middle of doodling. I hope that never happens again. So today, what's next? What do you do with all your doodles, your blackouts, your travel scribbles or your travel journals? Yeah, for the travel journals, I have ideas to put them into a collage and to frame them later. And for the doodle scribbles, I can use them into card making or use it in a decoupage or put into in a collage or use it into mixed media projects. So today we'll do a card. We'll make one card. Let me show you an example. First, this is the base we're going to start with. Okay, here, this is one of my old doodles that I had done back in 2016, and this butterfly was here. I took it out by using my fingers, tore it with slight pressure all over around the butterfly, and you see these drips. They are done by the acrylic ink. This is with a dropper. It's done by the acrylic ink, and first on the base this ink was done with a drip flow down effect and glued down the butterfly. So if you have a golden pen, gold goes with the color scheme, so if you have a golden pen you can write. If your handwriting is too good, you can write your wish or greeting on the side and have a birthday card or a wish, any wish you want to put in there. Or else, if you're not good at writing, have a stamp which has any of the greeting and rub over the letters gold paint, and after this drip dries you stamp on the letters on the base, and there you have. I say use gold because it goes with the color scheme. If it was something related to grays and blues, you would go for silver pen, a metallic silver pen or something like that. So let's do one for, let me show you how I did that drip effect. I just did my trials over here on this newspaper. So of course the material is different. That's a hard base and this is newspaper. What I tried to get is something like this. I need some more in there. This is what I did. I didn't go back so that I don't get that S, but made sure that I went in straight lines, just to show a dripping effect. The paint flows from the butterfly. I'll show you that again. There you can add some more, or go with a an old toothbrush, have some spray paint effect as well. So with this, that's how you see the butterfly. Take note, but here. So let's do another one. Let me check any old doodle over here. I think I have one. Yeah, that says it was done for Thanksgiving. So I'll just take this out. You can see how old this book is because it's so brown and it's every pages are coming off. Yeah, you know, I can use the scissors here to get the sharp edges, but I somehow like the torn edges, so I'll go carefully not to miss the details because there are some branches out here, some leaves. I also want the writings, so let me get it carefully out. Well, when you do drip effects or any kind of spontaneous activity in art, it's all about creativity and it's about making mistakes, but art is knowing what mistakes to keep. So there you have that fun there, a result of spontaneity and seeing what should you put in there to bring out the beauty of the whole thing you're doing. Okay, just be careful. I don't want to miss out the tiny lines. Yeah, and this paper is too delicate. Yeah. So my plan is to have this onto this one over here. Let me get my glue. It should come all the way to here. Yeah, and stick it down there. This was the straight edge, put it straight there. Yeah, it's more like a thank you card. Yeah, if you want you can put some details in there, but I like to leave that white around. If it is another base, say like a beige colored base or even black, would have been nice to see. I just got this as in my cardstock, so I had this, that's why I got it here. This is something you could do with your doodles or your scribbles later on. Add it into different projects. Art never ends at one time. You can put it onto different things. You can add it onto other projects. So let me know your feedback. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. See you again.